Today I am going to show how to use product inventory limits. Go to Go High Level account, then click payment link. You will see the invoice page. It is the default page. Then click product links. It will show the products page. Here you can see the list of products. Just edit any of the product and it will go to the products detail page. Scroll down to the prices block, where you can see the track inventory checkbox. Just check it and enter the available quantity 0. Then click Save button. Once the quantity is set to 0, in the e-commerce site page, will show that product is currently unavailable. This is the way you can limit the product inventory limits. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks.